it's Liliana. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, be sure to give this video a thumbs up at the end. Hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see all my videos and get notified about it, be sure to hit the notification bell as well. Okay, so getting started on this makeup look right here. This is my everyday summer look. Truly, like, this is what I've been wearing to work for like 2 or 3 weeks now. It's just a simple smoky bronzy eye with a touch of shimmer and a lot of highlight. That way it looks like I got that summer glow going on. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just continue watching. Okay, so I am jumping right into this eyeshadow look. I already did my eyebrows and my base off camera like I always do. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to be going into the shade Musk, which is right there. And I'm going to start at the center of the lid by the eyelash line. And I'm just going to start buffing this color through in circular motions and then start bringing it out. So I'm just going to go back and forth, picking up from the pan and back to my lid. Once I get to the crease area, I'm just going to start lightly blending it. That way I can put like a cute transition shade or something. I don't know yet. I'm kind of just freehanding this. So once Musk is right there, I'm going to go back in with a blending brush and I'm going to blend out the edges. That way it's not like... Once we have the base of Musk down, I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics brush and this shade right here from the Nubian palette. And I'm just going to get it all over the brush. And then we're going to focus this on the crease. And just lightly, with like really light pressure, just go through with it. Then I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush from BH Cosmetics and just kind of blend the two colors together a lot better, because you really want it just to be a very soft fade. You don't want it to be like the transition, the shadow. You want it to blend through. You know what I'm saying? For the next shade, I am using the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm gonna go in to Kenya right here with the same fluffy brush that we used for Musk. We're gonna focus the shade on the same place that we did Musk, and like I said, start in the center of the eye, and then just work your way up. So I'm doing back and forth all over the lid first, and then I'm using circular motions and buffing upwards. This is how you're gonna get a real effortless smoky eye. I'm going to be going back into my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take my middle finger, because it's the only finger that I always use for this, and I'm going to lightly put a little bit of Nefertiti on it, and I'm just going to like tap it onto the center of the eye. Okay, so I did my eyeliner and my eyelashes, and all I did for the liner was I did just a little strip to hide the yuckiness of my lashes, because they're like, I think this is like my 4th use with them, and these lashes are from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description box below so you guys can get some cheap mink. Okay, so starting on my face, I am using the NYX pore filler, and it sounds like farts when it comes out, and I'm just going to warm it up in my hands first. And then I'm gonna focus on my T-zone with just these 2 fingers, because it's on these 3 all together. And I'm just gonna focus it on my T-zone first. And then I'm going to put it everywhere else. Okay guys, so starting on my foundation, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the shade 206. And I am using a dewy foundation right now because this is just for the camera. I would prefer, if you're gonna go out to like a theme park or anywhere outside, because it's fucking hot here in California, to use a matte. That way you don't sweat through your makeup. And I'm just dotting it all over my face and a little on my neck. I'm gonna get it on this white t-shirt, watch. Ooh, bitch, see, I got that. Okay. And then I'm using my BH Cosmetics foundation brush, and I'm just going to blend that all through. So for concealer, I am using the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. And I am going to, what color is this? And it's in the shade light medium. Put a little bit under my under eye, the tip of my nose, and the bridge. A little on the forehead too. And I'm going to bake where I put the concealer. Just really light because, you know, girl, it's every day. I ain't got time to be, you know, putting on a shit ton of bake because I gotta wipe this shit off and then I gotta get to work. And then I'm putting it right here to shift the face. This is what I usually do for work. I put on the baking powder all over where I need to put it. Then I bronze real fast and then I just wipe everything off and blend. That way it's like, it takes about maybe 4.5 minutes, 5 minutes to do this step, and it's really quick and it's easy for you when you're on the go. I'm using my NARS Laguna bronzer and this big fluffy brush from No Name. And I'm just going to focus the bronze right here. I'm not going to drag it all the way out. I'm just focusing it right here only. So right when my cheekbone starts is where I'm focusing the bronzer. And the forehead, because I got a big ass forehead and a receiving hairline, girl. I gotta cover that up. So we're gonna go back into the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I'm gonna go back in with the shade Musk, and I am going to just smoke out the bottom of my eyes. I'm using the Beauty For Real eyeliner in the shade Whiskey for my eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and water my waterline, eyeline my waterline. Onto the lips, I am using my COVERGIRL lip liner in the shade, I don't know, it's all gone now. So for lipstick, I am using the Aaliyah and Matte collection in the shade Try Again. And this is the only thing that I'm using out of everything that I bought because I just had to use this one. Like when everybody was freaking out about the Selena and Matte campaign, not that I don't like Selena, but Aaliyah was my Selena, if that makes any sense. Like I was obsessed with her, so. Okay, so I'm going to take the lipstick and I'm gonna focus it just right here on the edges of the lip. So I'm going in with the ColourPop liquid lipstick and I'm just going to put it on the center. And this is in the shade Vice. And the center on top. And then I'm going to take my hand and I'm just gonna buff through it and blend it into the lipstick. I'm just gonna add a little more so you know the color shows through, and do it again with my finger. I swear I'm not flipping it well. And then one more time with the Aaliyah lipstick. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Resi highlighter. And I'm just gonna take this on the brush and put it on a cheek. Put it on a cheek. So my battery had just died on me while I was doing my highlighter. At the same time I got a phone call. Sorry about that. All I did was finish up highlighting right here, and I brought the highlight into the eyeshadow, also the tip of my nose and the inner corner of my eyes. So we're just gonna finish off the makeup all together with the Gerard Cosmetics setting spray. And I am just going to set this bitch. So this is the finished look on my everyday summer makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave some comments down below or share this video. And until then, I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.